Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Chaitanya BS, 7th EC department. Today I am here to present a secure sockets layer. Introduction to SSL. SSL means secure socket layers. Secure sockets layer is a standard security technology for establishing an encrypted link between a server and a client. It is a link between server and a client. It ensures that all data transmitted between the web server and the browser remains private and integral. It ensures that the server and the client remains private and integral. Secure socket layers widely used for securing sensitive information such as credit card numbers, debit card numbers and ATM card numbers and the any personal details. History of secure socket layers. Secure socket layers was developed by Netscape in the mid 1990s to secure internet communications. The first version of secure socket layers is 1.0 was never released due to security flaws, leading to secure socket layers 2.0's introduction. As secure socket layers 3.0 and subsequent improvements laid the groundwork for the modern transport layer security TLS protocol. In the SSL 3.0, it will improvements the groundwork for the TLS protocol. Now we can see the how secure socket layers works. Secure socket layers uses a combination of public key and symmetric key encryption to secure the data. During the secure socket layer handshake, the server and the client exchanges the key and verify each other's identities. Once the handshake is complete, a secure session is established where data can be transmitted securely. In this picture, we can see the symmetric encryption. The secure encryption and handshake protocols are verifying and identifying the server and the client keys of the secret and same keys. Components of secure socket layers. The primary components of secure socket layer include the SSL certificate, which verifies the identity of the entity. The SSL handshake is the process through which the client and server negotiate encryption methods and keys. The secure connection is maintained through encrypted sessions that protect against eavesdropping. In this picture, we can see the how the SSL client and the server handshake protocol is going on. Secure sockets layers certificates. And a secure socket layer certificate is a digital certificate that authenticates on websites identity. Certificates are issued by CAs. CAs means certificate authorities, which verify the identity of the requesting entity. There are different types of SSL certificates, including DV means domain validity, and OV, which is organization validated, and EV. EV means extended validation. In this picture, we can see the digital certificate issued Jan due 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is the number, express month, date, and year, verifies the identity of the holder, and it provides public key of holder to facilitate encryption or digital signatures. And digital signature of a CA. CA means certificate authority, validates the authenticity and integrity of the certificate. The CA means certificate authority, issues the certificate to people, systems, and the devices. Benefits of using secure socket layers. Secure socket layer provides data encryption, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure during transmission. It enhances customer trust by displaying security indicators such as padlock icon in browsers. Utilizing secure socket layers can improve search engine rankings as Google favors secure websites. In this picture, we can see the asymmetric encryption of secure socket layers. Now we can see the common secure socket layer protocols. SSL 2.0, 2.0 and SSL 3.0 are the original versions that have since been deprecated due to security vulnerabilities. Transport layer security is the successor to SSL and is now the standard protocol for secure internet communications. TLS versions means transport layer security versions 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 have been developed, with the 1.2 and 1.3 being the most secure in the SSL protocols. In this picture we can see the four SSL protocols. One is application layer and SSL protocol, record protocol and transport layer protocols. In the SSL protocols, there are three types of protocols. One is handshake protocol, chain zipper spec protocol, alert protocol. These are the four SSL protocols are used in the SSL. Secure socket layer and web browsers. Modern web browsers supports secure socket layer and transport layer security protocols to ensure secure communication with servers. Browser display visual indicators such as padlock or HTTPs to signify a secure connections. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol Security to signify a secure connection. Users are warned when attempting to access sites without secure socket layers, enhancing overall internet security in the SSL and the web browser. In this picture, we can see the how does HTTP protocols are works in SSL protocols. Challenges and limitations of SSL protocols. While SSL provides significant security benefits, it is not immune to attacks such as man in the middle attacks. The reliance on human verification in SSL certificates issuance can lead to vulnerabilities if not properly managed. Keep secure socket layer certificates updated is essential as expired certificate can compromise security. Future of secure socket layers. The shift towards transport layer security has led to continuous improvements in encryption methods and protocols. Innovation in quantum computing may challenge current encryption standards, promoting the development of quantum resistant algorithms. The ongoing evolution of secure socket layer and transport layer security will aim to address emerging security threats and enhance users' privacy. In this presentation provides an overview of secure socket layer protocols. Thank you.